Welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking and Spices. On this episode, I want to show you how I make my spicy chicken tenders. Let's go through the ingredients and we're gonna get started. We're gonna need some all-purpose flours. This is 1.5 cup dry flour, 1.5 cup dry flour into different bowl. I have some chicken tenders here, salt and pepper, some whole milk. This is some red chili powder, really hot. This is some chili sauce, only chili sauce, there's no garlic in it, some ketchup, and garlic powder, granulated garlic. You can use either one. So first thing I'm gonna do is add salt and pepper to each of my ingredient over here. Add a lot, and then I'm gonna add my salt, of course salt to taste, in each bowl. All right, this is done. And now for this one here, that's all we need. Just give this a mix, a quick mix, and then just keep this on the side. And to this bowl, give this a mix first, and then I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons, which is half of this, of my granulated garlic, 2 teaspoons of my red chili powder, and let's do this as well. The rest is going here to my chicken. Now this is really gonna be like really spicy. This is it. All right, and now mix the dry ingredient first to this bowl. All right, and now I'm gonna add my chili sauce to my chicken. This is gonna be really easy chicken tenders, which I call my go-to. It's great for brunch. It's great for dinner, along with a side of fries, or even lunch. And it's great for school snacks. So there is no cutting, there is no chopping, there is nothing. It is just so easy. And the tomato ketchup gonna go here. All right, now I'm gonna take the same spoon and give my chicken over here a mix. And over here, I'm gonna add my milk. Now I'm using, this is about 1 cup of milk, but if I do need more milk, I'm just gonna add more milk, just according to the consistency that I need. I'm gonna show you in a second. Give this a good mix without any lump. Now I just want to mention that I did add a half cup of milk extra. I just want to show you the consistency. This is what you're looking for. 1.5 cup of milk. Now you know where to go for the full written recipe. Just click the link down below, and again, don't forget to subscribe in advance. Thank you for that. Thanks for your support. And now I'm gonna start building it. So I'm just gonna use a tongue because it's spicy. I know I don't want to burn my finger, but you can use this by hand. So and make sure you use just the tenders itself, which is back of the chicken breast. This is what I use, and I cut them into a very teeny tiny strip. And then this is going to dip in the butter, and then to the flour. Now I'm just gonna do a single coating, but if you want this to be extra crispy, you can double coat this in the butter and in the flour, to the flour, then you're gonna get an extra crispy out skin, and it's really up to you, but I'm just gonna do one coating today. And let the excess drop, and then to the flour. And just keep repeating the same step. Oil is preheating. It is hot enough. I'm gonna start deep frying my chicken tenders. And this is a must that you have to be careful for the oil. The oil should be on medium heat so the chicken doesn't get too dry, because it won't fry. And make sure the chicken stays in the oil for no more than 3 minutes, because remember, we are using tenders, and chicken tenders fry very quickly. We don't want to over fry this or overcook this. Now let this fry until golden brown, and I'm gonna flip this in between. My chicken tenders is ready. They are all ready and right here in front of me, and this is how I want them to be, a golden brown color. Let me actually break one just to show you. This is so small, I'm making a mess already. Let me break the little bit bigger size. Look at that. Check this, compose. It's smoky, it's hot, but you can see how tender is this chicken. And actually I want to give this a try. Damn delicious. Oh my god. This is so good, so spicy. If you're one of them that doesn't eat spicy at all, just avoid the chili powder, and you can just add ketchup, or you can keep the hot sauce, which is not really that spicy. All the spiciness in it is just from the, is mostly from the chili powder, which I use a really hot one. But if you're a mild person, just totally avoid the chili powder, and you're gonna get a mild chicken tenders. For recipe, you know where to go. And let me know in the comment below, how do you like this? Give this a try, post a picture, don't forget to tag me. I will see you next time with another great recipe. Bye.